So let's continue our course on multivariate analysis, and we're gonna talk about how to compare the two categorical variables, as I said in the last class. And a useful way to summarize two categorical values we have in some data set is something called the contingency table, right? And we can look at the contingency tables using counts as a measure, but we could also use percentages. Okay, and I think the most common type of contingency table we have in real life is the Excel pivot tables, right? I think some of you may already know or used. Okay, so let's just look at an example here. We have for a contingency table extract from data set. Then we have two columns here. The one is sex and the second is handedness. Okay, and each column have two categories. So in the sex column we have male and female, right? And in the handedness columns we have right-handed and left-handed. And one way to look at the contingency table is to analyze the positions, right, from both columns and rows. So analyze the first row we have here and the first column we have here. We can see that the count measured is 43, and what is it saying is that 43 out of 52 males are right-handed in our data set. And look at the same row, but in the second column we can see that we have 9 males out of 52 that is counted as left-handed. And that's one way to analyze a contingency table, and we can do the same for the female row. Okay, and we could also analyze it by using the percentages instead of the counts right here, and it still be useful. Okay, so let's go back here. And move forward to analyze categorical and numerical variables. And there is a way so we can analyze both types of columns with each other. And this is using a box plot. There is a way to represent a data distribution based on percentiles, as we have already solved, right? And the fifth percentile is the median in a block spot. Okay, so let's just look at an example here of a percentage of flight delays in a few airline companies. So here in the x-axis, right, this is x, this is y. We have 6 airline companies. We have American, Alaska, JetBlue, Delta, United, Southwest. In the y column we have the daily percentage of delay flights. So analyze it, the block spot. We can see that the Alaska company have the fewest, right, percentage of delays. Meanwhile, the American airlines have the highest. And how we know that? We just analyze the median. There is the black bar right here, and we can see that the American airline has the highest median. Okay. Meanwhile, the Alaska has the lowest median from the 6 airline companies, and as you said, the median accounts for the 5th percentile, right, because it's based on percentiles. And we can see here these rounded circles and account for outliers, but that's not the topic of our lecture today. I'm just showing that you can compare the categorical and numerical variables using a box plot, right? And that's all for today. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.